traveling for a year. It's just that these are all my stuff. It can be anywhere. It's just this. Do I have shoes in there? 2 pairs. Do I have different clothes for different occasions? Yes. I have everything I need. This has been my house for 2 weeks, so my days here are done. I ate well. Every day I hear this guy yell something that I don't understand, like something like that. I usually try everything. So I heard this guy and I run out the door because he's going on a bike, and if you don't stop him right away, he just goes away.
Dos quibes quedan.
¿De qué son?
Es trigo, quedan tortas. Estos son tortas.
Ah, las piedras que tienen.
Frijoles, pepita y cebollina. ¿O se lo preparo?
Sí. Muchísimas gracias. Hasta luego. Oh, that's what he meant. This is wheat with cabbage. Oh my gosh, this is so good. This is a really nice place. I would definitely come back. It's an old house that has been restored, so everything in here is new, and the windows can be opened widely, completely. The best thing, it's 1 block from the beach. Two things people usually ask: if this is all my stuff, and how to pick a new place to go. Easy. I love to be in warm places that are not expensive, so I can do many things. I decided that I wanted to go to the Philippines. I was like, yes, that's it. I saw like the chocolate mountains and some island. Oh my god, that place looks amazing. I discovered that the ticket for going there is $4,000. That's not an option. I thought of going to Albania. It's next to Greece. The beaches are amazing and super cheap. That was my second option. Like, it's winter. I don't want to be in a cold place right now. This is my favorite weather. This year I went through many places. Mexico is always a good option. Balandra. Look at this. Did you see that? I want to be there. Apparently it has... No, I'm not gonna talk about it. I'll show you in a video.